guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how I toned this blonde hair from like a very orange and not so appealing tone to like a more soft and beautiful blonde. So it's going to be a super quick tutorial. I'll show you guys what products I use and just like which color I use to tone the hair. So to tone blonde hair, you need to use like an ash toner and a 10 volume peroxide liquid, and you want to use a 10 because 10 doesn't really change color, it just deposits color, so it tends to fix any orange or yellow brassiness that the hair might have. Okay, so to tone this hair, I'm going to use an ash blonde toner with a 10 volume peroxide, and I want to show you guys the ash blonde that I'm going to be using, which is this color here. So I'm trying to remove the orange or yellow undertone of hair by correcting it with like something lighter. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be using today. You can definitely purchase toners on glamourhair.co.za with a 10 volume peroxide. That should help to correct any brassiness that your hair might have. So yeah, let's get right into this tutorial, guys. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on. Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
till my shadow turns to sun rays.